So this is super messed up. I just came into the room. I had this toaster oven. It's plugged in, but it's off. Look, see that it says off? But it's staying on. In fact, it's staying on so much that it's, I think it's starting to smoke. I don't think that's water. I think that's, I just found this on. I think it's getting so hot because it's staying on that it's like burning its own electronics or something. So let me see. Okay. So there, now I turned it to even more off. And so now it's turning off. That is super messed up, my friends. Black & Decker, very shiny, nice. I was excited about this toaster oven. It's an older model. I don't know. I'll get the, maybe 4 years old. Not that old.